Hello, this is the second Excel project, 1B percent, and I have the project instructions printed off, so I will read them out and go through the project. Number 1 says Kelly is a senior in college and has a part-time job where she tutors students in math, physics, and chemistry. She's interested in analyzing her earnings for this job during the first 3 quarters of the year. Open the job analysis worksheet and then use AutoFit to adjust the width of column A. So you'll notice that the steps are a lot like the first project. So select column A, go to Format, and Auto Fit column width. Number 2, select cell A1, enter the text Kelly's part-time tutoring job. And then center the merged range. That's right here, but I can't select it, so I'm going to select out, click back in, and now I can center it. Number 3, apply the heading 1 cell style to the merged range. So I already have it selected. Now I'll go to Cell Styles right here and choose heading 1. Number 4, enter the text revenue in cell A2. Merge the contents of the range A2 to D2. So I'll highlight them, A2 to D2, merge and center. We'll choose merge, as that's what it says here, is merge the contents. They already have center alignment chosen for A2. Number 5, clear the contents of cell E3. So you just click on E3 and just hit the backspace button on your keyboard. Number 6, enter the data shown in table 1 below into the range B66. Alright, so 1800, and then you can hit your tab button or you can click into the next cell. Alright, so we'll go to the next page. Using the fill handle, copy the formula in cell B7 into the ranges C7 to D7. So we'll click on B7. Our fill handle again is that green square in the bottom right hand corner. Hover over it until you see these thin black lines. Looks like a cross. And drag it over. We can drag it over. Number 8, merge and center the range A9, D9. So here's A9 to D9. Merge and center. So we're going to have to select A9 to D9 and merge and center. Number 9, select the range B11 to D14. B11 to D14. And apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places and number sign as the symbol. So we'll do the drop down. Click here. Click on accounting. Your decimal places are 2 and the symbol is $sign defaulted. Okay, so just click your OK and it changes the formatting of each cell. Number 10, the expenses table shows Kelly's expenses for her math, physics, and chemistry classes so far. She wants to calculate the total expenses that she incurred over the 3 quarters by adding up the total expenses for each quarter. In cell E14, create a formula using the sum function to calculate Kelly's total expenses over the last 3 quarters, which is B14 to D14. That colon there means it's a range, so it's all inclusive. B14 to D14 and everything in between. So to create a formula, we need to hit the equals button, and I normally just type it on in there, sum and open bracket, type in B14 colon D15, close your bracket, and you'll notice a blue square show up around the cells that you entered in. Now that you have your closed bracket, hit the enter button and it creates the formula for you. Number 11, update the formatting of the merged range A16 to D16. Bold the contents of the merged range. Change the font size to 13. As we saw in the last one, we need to type it in here. Type in 13, click enter. Change the font color to green accent 6, darker 25. Green accent 6, darker 25%. Here we go. Number 12, Kelly was offered another job recently. She has a strong passion for teaching, but she also wants to make a wise financial decision. She will continue tutoring only if she sees that her profit has increased every quarter. In cell B18, create a formula without using a function, so no words, that calculates the total profit earned by subtracting cell B14 from cell B7. So we're going to put equals in there, and we're taking B14 away from B7. So the bigger number goes first, B7 subtracting B14. Enter. Use the fill handle to fill the range C18 to D18, which is these two right here. We need to fill those with this formula. So we'll click on this cell, hover till we find our fill handle, and click and drag it over. And there you go, creates the same formula in both of these. Number 13, change the tab color of the job analysis worksheet to blue. Here's your tab, right click, tab color, blue. Number 14, select the cluster column chart with the title Kelly's Revenue. It's this one. Update the chart as described below. So 14A says change the chart style of the cluster column chart to style 2. So right here is the chart styles. It's one way. The other way is up here on chart design. You have options here that you didn't have before. So if you don't click on the chart, those options are there. If you click on the chart, they show up. Okay, so you can choose it from here, style 2. Move the chart to its own chart sheet. You could right click on it like we did in the first one. You can also click right here, move chart. New sheet. The name is Q1-Q3 revenue. For 1 to Q3 revenue. Alright, so it moves to its own chart sheet. Then we go back to job analysis, and number 15 says, select the non-adjacent ranges A11 to A13. So here's A11 to A13. Click and hold Control, and then select D11 to D13. Now create a 2D pie chart. So we'll go to Insert. Here's our pie charts. Click on that drop down button, and we're going to select a 2D pie chart. 15A says in the title placeholder, enter expenses in Q3. So I'm going to triple click. 1, 2. Nah, didn't let me do it that time. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then expenses in Q3. Change the chart style of the 2D pie chart to style 3. So we did it up here last time. We'll do it over here now. Style 3. Move the chart sheet to its own chart sheet using Q3 expenses as the name. So before we use this one, now we'll just show you how to do it here. Right click. Move chart to a new chart sheet. Q3 expenses. Alright, there it is. So now you just have to save it and submit. Go to File, Save As. Always save as because you need to change the name. Click the Browse button and always make sure it goes to your documents on your computer so you can find it. Change the name here from _1 to _2. This is what it needs to be in order for you to submit it to the SAM program. Click Save. And you will notice the name change on the top.